Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Pride. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say in this video is not financial advice. Are you guys DCAing? Are you guys taking advantage of these price dips? I hope you are, guys, because we don't get too many of these opportunities. They don't come around that often, but when they come around, we should be DCAing. You know what I'm saying? Like me, I DCA every single day into Bitcoin Cash on my Robinhood account so I can take advantage of these dips. And this is one dip that I'm taking advantage of because we're at 559, still up 60% for the year, guys, which is crazy in itself. And we got a lot of room to go. And today I'm gonna go over this article that I saw, just came across this searching for Bitcoin Cash news, and I thought this was kind of an important article just to bring out because a lot of people are, kind of panicking still in the market. If I go back over to let me say community sentiment. Well, community sentiment for Bitcoin Cash is still bullish, 76%. But for the overall crypto market, we're still sitting at like a 46, which is pretty much neutral for the fear and greed index. So, I mean, a lot of people still kind of on the fence. And like I say, during these times is when we need to take advantage of these dips, guys. So here's the article right here. BCH price prediction. Bitcoin Cash eyes $634 break for rally to 680 to 720. Guys, if you've been watching this channel, I'm covering Bitcoin Cash ever since it was like 250 to 300 bucks. And all I've been seeing is higher highs and lower lows. So we constantly is creeping up step by step by step by step by step. Soon the next low, the next floor is going to be, well, next floor right now is actually $514 is the real floor. But we've been sitting at 550, 540-ish for a while now. That's why I say higher highs and lower lows. BCH price prediction suggests a potential breakout above $634 resistance could drive Bitcoin Cash to 680 to 720 within 4 to 6 weeks, despite current bearish momentum signals. Bitcoin Cash continues to trade in the consolidation phase near 584, presenting both opportunities and risk for traders. Our comprehensive BCH price prediction analyst reveals a critical juncture that could determine the next major directional move for this leading cryptocurrency. BCH price prediction summary. BCH short-term target 1 week 605 to 615, which is a 3.6 to 5.3% increase. Bitcoin Cash medium-term forecast 1 month 680 to 720 range, which is a 16% and a 23% increase. Key level to break for bullish continuation 634. Critical support if bearish $514. We haven't seen $514 in a while, so I'm not worried about reaching that number. Recent Bitcoin Cash price prediction from analysis. While Pacific analyst predictions for BCH have been limited in recent days, the technical setup suggests more traders are out or adapting a wait and see approach near current levels. Don't wait, guys. Buy these dips. The lack of fresh prediction indicates market uncertainty, which often precedes significant breakout moves. This creates an opportunity for those willing to position ahead of the crowd. I'm talking about you guys. I just want to bring this video to your attention. Don't wait for it to go up. Take advantage of these dips, guys. DCA. The absence of mainstream analyst coverage on Bitcoin Cash forecast scenarios actually supports our contrarian view that BCH may be setting up for a surprise move higher, particularly given its strong year-to-year performance from the 269 lows. Like I said, I've been following this thing since it was that low. If you just follow my channel, punching Bitcoin Cash, you'll see my videos from a year, 2 years ago covering Bitcoin Cash. BCH technical analysis setting up for potential breakout. Our Bitcoin Cash technical analysis reveals several compelling factors supporting a measured bullish outlook. BCH currently trades at 584, positioned well above all major moving averages except the 7-day SMA at 595.81, indicating underlying strength despite short-term consolidation. The RSI reading of 54.79 sits in neutral territory, providing room for upward movement without immediately triggering overbought conditions. More importantly, Bitcoin Cash maintains a position at 0.60 within the Bollinger Bands, suggesting the recent pullback has created space for another leg higher. Guys, Bitcoin Cash price targets bull and bear scenarios. Bullish case for BCH. Our primary BCH price prediction scenarios targets the 680 to 720 range within 4 to 6 weeks, representing 16 to 23% gain from current levels. This projection is based on several technical factors. A breakup of the immediate resistance of 632 will likely trigger momentum buying, with the next logical target near the 680 level based on measured move analysis. The 52-week high at 618 serves as an intermediate target, but we expect BCH to exceed this level given the overall bullish trend classification. Guys, that's it. You know your boys built some Bitcoin Cash. I just want to put it back on your radar, guys. That Bitcoin Cash is still under the radar, guys. You still have opportunity to buy Bitcoin Cash at I think it's low levels, because I think Bitcoin Cash is definitely gonna get to $1,000 level. I mean, like I said, we're gonna start doing these little ladders like 600. The next low is gonna be 700. The next low is gonna be 800. The next low is gonna be $1,000. And before you know it, Bitcoin Cash is gonna be sitting at $2,000 to $3,000. And you be like, God damn it. Crypto Pride told me a year ago to start DCAing, but I didn't listen. And now he's on the beach in Jamaica somewhere smoking a fat split. No, but guys, this is my bring to your attention. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. This type of material you want to get, want me to do more of. See you guys on the next one. Peace out.